Hello students, today we are going to discuss propositional constants and variables. Propositional constants are defined in terms of true or false. That means the conclusion of the given proposition will be Boolean, that is true or false. And what is a variable? Variable is the symbolic representation of the propositional constant. If we look at this example, A is a variable and in that what is stored today is Sunday. So this is a constant, the value which is stored, and the symbolic representation of the propositional constant, that is a variable. Here A is referred to as the propositional variable and today is Sunday is a propositional constant. Now, types of proposition. There are two types of propositions. One is simple proposition and the other is compound proposition. Simple proposition, a proposition that is represented in simple sentence, that is called simple proposition. That means the simple sentences we are having. For example, it is raining today, tiger is our national animal. These all are the simple sentences. So these are simple propositions. They can be answered in true or false. And compound proposition, if two or more propositions are joined together with the help of some connecting words, then the resulting proposition is called compound proposition. The connectives like and or, they can connect the two sentences. Using them, when we connect the two sentences, those are called compound propositions. For example, we are having two variables. A is Bengaluru is a green city of India. B is it is situated in Karnataka. We are having these two propositions. Now these two propositions we can join with and. Bengaluru is a green city of India and it is situated in Karnataka, or we can join it with or. Bengaluru is a green city of India or it is situated in Karnataka. So the connecting words that are used to join two or more propositions together are said to be connectives. And connectives are similar to the conjunctions used in English grammar. That is, they are used to join the two simple sentences. Now, truth values and truth table. Truth values are the conclusions drawn from given propositions that may be true or false. The truth values can also be represented in the term of 1 and 0. And what is a truth table? That is the tabular form, tabular representation of the truth values of different propositions. Like we are having a table and that in that we are writing the values for two variables A and B. So both can be true or both can be false, or first true, second false, or first false, second true. So this is a tabular representation and here conclusion will be drawn, that is the truth table.